I finally made the time to take the suspension apart and paint the trailing arms. Throw on some L&W lowers, so hopefully I won't have any more bent radius rods going on. Maybe they'll take some abuse. So I went ahead and threw the Krylon, the hammered finish, the black on there, and here they are. Not the best job on them, but they look better than they did, I think. Should have done some better prep work, but I think it'll hold up. Kind of like the finish on there. Hopefully they look good, but it'll definitely be a 10-footer. But they'll just get scratched up anyway. So now I'm gonna throw them things on there and then get back to y'all with the video of how it looks. Got it back down on all 4 wheels. Took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. But it looks a lot better, I think. Got the L&W lowers. Everything's black. I don't know how long the paint will last, but looks pretty good so far. Only put a couple scratches in it. I probably should have powdered it, but wanted to keep the cost low as I could. Now all that's left, get this front suspension painted up, and then it'll be officially blacked out except for all the green. I still ain't decided what I want to do for a cage yet. So if you got any suggestions, let me know. I'm gonna get a quick little walk around of it, the progress so far. Still got a little ways to go, but it's looking better.